Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can fix the login error on your Tinder account and application. So you're trying to log into your Tinder account using a Tinder application, but you're constantly getting the login error message and you want to fix that error but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to fix the login error on your Tinder application. So the first thing you want to try to fix the login error is updating your Tinder application. Check whether your app is up to date or not, and if your app is not up to date, follow the steps to update your Tinder application. First, open your app store or play store according to your mobile device. Then in the search field, search for Tinder. Once you search for Tinder, you'll see an option like this. Once you search for Tinder, you'll land an interface like this. Now tap on the Tinder icon, then you'll land an interface like this. Now here, instead of the open button, you'll see the button labeled as update in order to update your Tinder application. If your app is not up to date, so simply tap on that button and update the application. Once the update is complete, open the Tinder application, then try logging in again. If you still get the login error message, what you want to do is completely uninstall the Tinder application and reinstall the application. After you reinstall the application, open the application and try logging in again. If you still get the login error, now what you need to do is go to your phone settings. In your phone settings, you need to go to your apps and notification settings. From apps and notification settings, what you need to do is tap on the see all apps option. Once you tap on the see all apps option, a list of applications installed in your mobile device will appear. From this list, look for Tinder. Once you locate Tinder, open the Tinder application settings. Once you open the Tinder application settings, you'll see an interface like this. Now here what you need to do is simply go into the storage and cache settings of your Tinder application. Once you go into the storage and cache settings of your Tinder application, what you need to do is simply clear the cache of your Tinder application. Once you clear the cache of your Tinder application, open the Tinder application and try logging in again. Now you must have fixed the login error of your Tinder application. So those are the simple steps in order to fix the login error of your Tinder application. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.